Good morning, students. I am Dharmesh Mati, and this is your chemistry class of chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules. And today we are going to discuss laws of chemical combination, in which there are three laws: law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion, and law of multiple proportion. So, in your 9th standard, there are only two laws which we have to study: law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. And we are not going to study law of multiple proportion, but you must know about all the three laws of chemical combination. So as we have earlier discussed about the atom and molecule, and about how do the Maharshi Kanad, the Indian sage, reached to the concept of atom and molecule. So further, there are three laws which we have to study. A law of conservation of mass. So first law says that mass can neither be created nor can be destroyed. Okay, so mass can neither be created nor can be destroyed. So that concept is giving a clue that what is mass? That is a matter. What is matter? Matter is composed of atoms and molecules. So molecules are further also made up of atoms. So ultimately, atom can neither be created nor can be destroyed. So that is the first law of conservation of mass. But there is a condition where it cannot be created, cannot be destroyed in a chemical equation. In a chemical equation or chemical reaction. For example, if I am writing here H2 plus O2, that gives H2O. So here we are observing that there are two atoms of hydrogen here and two atoms of oxygen are here, and here only two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen is there. So here are total 4 atoms and here are total 3 atoms. So where the one atom of oxygen gone? So this equation is not balanced. We will come to the topic balancing of chemical equation, but here this equation chemically is not balanced and valid. So that is the main purpose. If we are writing this equation, then according to the law of conservation mass, it is incorrect, wrong. So what we have to do, we will now I'm giving you the solution of this problem, that we have to balance this chemical equation by multiplying hydrogen and oxygen with hydrogen and water with 2. So here total number of hydrogen are 4, oxygen are 2. Here total number of hydrogen are 4 and oxygen are 2. Here total number of atoms become 6 and here total number of atoms become 6. So that is our law of conservation of mass is verified. Hence we can say mass can neither be created nor can be destroyed during a chemical reaction. Next we are having second law. First law we have done. Second law we are having law of constant proportion. Law of constant proportion states that every element or every atom combines with any other atom in a fixed proportion. An atom combines with another atom always in a fixed proportion irrespective of the source of मैटर। जो एक एटम है वो दूसरे एटम के साथ कंबाइंड होगा क्या बनाने के लिए, किसी भी मैटर को बनाने के लिए, तो वो हमेशा कांस्टेंट रेशियो में होगा। जैसे कि आपको मैं सिंपल एग्जांपल के तौर पे बताऊं, जैसे कि H2O है, वाटर का जो फॉर्मूला है वो हमेशा H2O ही रहेगा, चाहे वो हम किसी भी सोर्स से लें, हम चाहे सी वाटर से लें, चाहे हम फॉर एग्जांपल हम टैप वाटर लें, चाहे हम रिवर वाटर लें, या हम पॉन्ड वाटर लें, तो हम चाहे वाटर का या फिर हम रेन वाटर लें, हम चाहे कहीं से भी वाटर ऑब्टेन करें, हमेशा वाटर का जो फॉर्मूला होगा और उसके अंदर जो हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन का जो कॉम्बिनेशन होगा वो H2O की फॉर्म में होगा। ठीक है, सो टुमारो वी विल डू the numericals related to this topic, both the laws of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. So third one is the law of multiple proportion. इसमें केवल आपको बेटा इंफॉर्मेशन होनी जरूरी है कि थर्ड भी लॉ होता है और उसमें क्या होता है, एटम्स मल्टीपल हमारे कंपाउंड्स भी बनाते हैं जब वो आपस में कंबाइंड होते हैं। एक ही एलिमेंट से, मतलब दो या दो से ज्यादा एलिमेंट से बने हुए आप कंपाउंड्स पढ़ोगे तो वो दोनों अलग अलग रेशियो में भी जुड़ सकते हैं। सो दैट इज द थर्ड लॉ, लॉ ऑफ मल्टीपल प्रोपोर्शन, एंड यू विल स्टडी दैट लॉ इन हायर क्लासेस. So this is the topic we have covered for today. Thank you.